welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something different for what I normally do on my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my Nigerian stew. I already make it in different ways, but this is one of how I make my Nigerian stew. This stew, you can use it to eat your rice, your beans, your fufu, your eba, your sweet potato, your regular potato. Is very yummy. So I thought I pressed record when I was blending the pepper. Unfortunately, I did not. But not to worry, I'm going to list all the ingredients in the description box in case you're interested in the recipe. And I'm going to tell you how I mix my season, maybe in another video. But I will list, so that is the hard chicken. I already put my goat meat in the stew. I put my goat meat, and I will be hiding my hard chicken later in this video. So stay tuned and enjoy how I make my Nigerian stew. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please feel free to drop me a question in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you and enjoy. Remember to keep safe.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day.